All right.
Please turn that off.
Is that an earthquake?
A what?
Brendan, stop.
Mom, it's Brenda. They've been in an accident. What happened?
Flashback.
Hello, everybody. How's it? I changed the title. So, everybody knows I'm 4 shots in and 3 Trulies in and feeling no pain right now. Where are we going? I don't know. I've been drinking. Let's go. And I might, and I think I've taken 4 shots. I think I'm at 4 shots and a Truly. So I'm gonna drink a Truly.
No, God!
Because I think that's what's the worst that can happen.
No, God, please, no!
A few moments later.
No! 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 And we start tonight with breaking news out of Placer County.
It is going for quite a bit, everybody. It continues
This is a very strong earthquake.
Strong here.
8:21 here on the air. We're experiencing very strong shock. I think we need to get under the desk.
All right, we're going to go to break.
We'll be right back. We'll be right back.
Wow.
We caught a major seismic event. The New Madrid fault is the largest on this continent. We're seeing this much activity. It means something way bigger could be on the way. But there's sinkholes, massive sand flows emerging. None of this is normal. We don't pinpoint where and how these plates are slipping. We're looking at a 10.0 or larger in less than 9 hours.
It'll split the entire continent in half. You should call the governor or have her issue a national emergency.
What's wrong?
The pulse rates are spiking again. They're huge.
Are you serious? Tim?
We're about to have a major quake.
Jesus, Kim, get the hell out of there! Everybody get off the deck! Hurry up! Stay behind the barriers! Stay behind the barriers!